Welcome back, everybody. Today we're doing the delivery of this gasser that we it's like a chop top survivor race car that I built the engine on and set it up to go race. I know it should be on a Stinger, but it just gets really loud at the shop to have it with a Stinger. Just gonna do a quick walk around, show you guys what we did. Got the car race ready. Got the seat, harness. We went ahead and put pressing studs all around. We did put this BRM wheels. And my buddy had found over the years of collecting parts. It's gonna be a bracket race car for the Triple Crown Series here in Southern California. The car is sporting a 2234cc engine, which is like how do I say, it's like a bigger crank 2180 or a 2332 with 92s instead of 94s. So it's at 92 by 84 on 48. And here it is. It's on EPCs. It's got a breather box, gears pulley, MSD ignition. I did the setup like I normally do like to run them. I put the coil up in one of those inspection plates. Try to keep Volkswagen parts relevant in the build. It's not, just gonna go test it, do a shakedown, see how the car is doing, how the car will perform. Car just needs to be able to run within the 8.0s. He wants to run somewhere in the 790 8.0 bracket. We did this aluminum work interior, the cage, the seat, and the electronics. So you can manipulate your launch RPM, your max RPM, and it's triggered with that's your max RPM. Yeah, it's your launch RPM. So when you're gonna launch it, it hits that switch, and that's what activates your two-step. So when you're already preloading, you don't have to worry about hitting any other switches. It just does it automatically. Let's go drive it back to the shop and put a Stinger on it and load it up on the trailer. Let's go run it. I unfortunately won't be able to go to the track. I got baby things to do and work things to do. I wish I could, but we'll try to get you guys some footage. See how this thing performed. The seat also still slides back and forth, so that's cool. Let's see. We did our traction bars the way we do them. So the car has like zero chatter. Feel that? Oh yeah, solid. See, rev it, Nick. No, it's his. Yeah, that sounds good. The car unfortunately did not work out. It had bogging issues. Has to do with the tune and just trying to figure out where this car is gonna like it. And eventually, after a few 6-7 hits, the transmission let go. So we're gonna have to address the main shaft on this transmission and the gearing, which is normal procedures for a car that's just newly found more power. And we're gonna take it back out. I'll be dynoing the motor, and I'll put a video up on the dyno, and hopefully we get it back out ASAP. Later. Thanks for staying all the way to the end of the video. Thanks for watching. Thanks for the likes, the subs, and all that stuff. We had a good month last month, and hopefully we get back to work in other cars that are fun, like race cars. I have a turbo car that we're gonna be featuring up next. It's a blow-through turbo, and we're gonna be working on it and testing it out. Make sure it works. Make sure it performs as it should. Thanks for watching, and laters.